Guys in White Squad.
This week we'll be prison.
Followed by all new Ex-Wives Club.
I feel sexy now.
And Super Nanny.
I didn't mind going back and forth until she gave me a kick in the legs.
It all starts tonight at 8/7 Central only on ABC.
It's amazing what you can discover when you look a little closer. The PET CT scanner at Middlesex Hospital is the world's most advanced integrated imaging technology and among the first of its kind in Connecticut. It can diagnose illnesses from cancer to heart disease to Alzheimer's by revealing more sooner than ever believed possible. Discover a passion for technology at Middlesex Hospital. Healthcare the way you prescribe it.
The Saturn U, with an estimated 29 miles per gallon highway and the highest crash test ratings. And the Saturn Ion, with a 5-star photo crash safety rating and an estimated 35 miles per gallon highway. The 2007 Saturn Ion and the 2007 Saturn U. Now get 0% APR on the Ion and View.
Probation officer, as you know, in Phoenix, Arizona, and he once did something that all of us, I guess, have wondered about. That is
The nerve of that bird.
During a recent trip there with my wife, we were listening to Street Vendors.